You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing and
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should've let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure.
Hi my cute minion, welcome back to another vlog. I just finished my morning section stretching and I just reflect. I meditated for a while and say some prayers, and that's it. So guys, happy new month, welcome to the month of November. But first and first, I need to clean my room as usual. I'm just going to clean it because currently the current state is a bit messy. It's a bit messy, like not really, nothing too crazy. I'll just clean up, then plan with me for November. Let's see how November, and let's see how October was, and let's see how November will be. Hoping for the best, so let's start the day.
Starry night, angel lights, the stars alight when you came into my life. Hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. With your body next to mine, I feel so divine, so divine. I won't forget this feeling. We're in no element, just you and me underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. The moonlight.
Ah, it took like forever. But I'm glad I'm done with all my chores and everything is neat, clean. The kitchen is neat. The room is neat. So I just have to empty the rubbish. I'm currently just heating up rice because I'm starving. After all the chores, I am literally tired. And quickly grab a shower, then we're going to reset for the new month. So see you guys. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. See you guys pretty soon. Guys, if you've gotten to this part of my video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the fact that people are only supporting me. And then I checked my goal for last month. I actually hit it. My goal was to post 4 times in a week, which I did. Those have actually been my goal, like each month, just to make sure that, just to see how consistent I can be for like a long period of time, which I've been doing. The growth has been so amazing. We also hit like 500 subscriber last month. That's really amazing. So I'm so grateful. Everything is going, but you know, it's growing every single day, little by little by little, so we eventually get there. And I'm so proud of myself. And this is just to encourage you that even if you don't hit your goal, you still just keep pushing. The next month, the next month, the next month. That's how I did all through. Like any goal I set for this month, I'm unable to achieve it. I'm moving to the next month. That's how it has been for me, and it has been easy. So I just hope this just like encourage you. Just make sure that if you can't achieve this month, next month is there. Just continue. Just make sure that you're consistent. That's the most important thing. And pray along. Take God with you. Everything is just gonna work out. Okay. So if you've gotten to this part of my video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys' love and support as always. I never take any of that for granted. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.